Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how I make my overnight oats. It's quick, it's easy and it's healthy. You'll need oats, some honey, almond flakes, some yogurt, I'm using vanilla soya, a date, 1 banana, a handful of blueberries, some almond milk or any milk of your choice, chia seeds and some milled seeds of your choice. I'm going to go in and put 5 teaspoons of vanilla yogurt and a teaspoon of chia seeds, and I'm going to add the date to that. I'm just going to rip it apart. Put in my milled seeds, which is linseed, goji berries and sunflower seeds. Give it a good mix. I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of oats. You want to be using instant oats. Giving that a good mix. I'm going to add a dash of almond milk to that because the oats are going to soak this overnight. And give it a mix. To that we're going to add the blueberries and then add another 2 tablespoons of yogurt because we want it to be nice and creamy. I'm going to add some more chia seeds on top of that and some flaked almonds just to give it some crunch, and put a lid on, put it in the fridge and leave it overnight so it's ready for the morning. So this is what it should look like the next day in the morning, all ready, prepped for you to eat. You can eat it like this, or you can go ahead, add more fruit and add anything like honey, almonds and cinnamon like I just did. And that's pretty much it. Very simple, very easy, and it's such a time saver, and I do it on my busiest days at work. And there is no right or wrong way to do this. There are so many variations. See you next time.